Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to quickly transfer money to your Relay deposit account but couldn't figure out how? It's a common dilemma, especially for those new to the platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring funds to your Relay account, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Building context, Relay is a popular online platform that offers a variety of financial services, including deposit accounts. These accounts provide a secure and convenient way to store and manage your money. Whether you're looking to save for a specific goal, receive payments, or simply have a backup fund, understanding how to transfer money to your Relay deposit account is essential. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Relay account. The first step is to access your Relay account. Open your web browser, navigate to the Relay website, and enter your login credentials. Locate the deposit or transfer option. Once logged in, look for the deposit or transfer button or menu item. This option will typically be located on the main dashboard or in your account settings. Select the transfer method. Relay often offers multiple transfer methods, such as bank transfer, credit card, or digital wallet. Choose the method that best suits your preferences and available options. Enter the transfer details. Provide the necessary information for the selected transfer method. This may include your bank account details, credit card information, or digital wallet address. Be sure to double-check the details before proceeding to avoid errors. Specify the amount to transfer. Indicate the amount of money you want to transfer to your Relay deposit account. Make sure the amount is within the limits set by Relay. Confirm the transfer, review the transfer details, and confirm your action. Some platforms may require additional verification steps, such as entering a security code or providing biometric authentication. Track the transfer status. After confirming the transfer, you should be able to track its status within your Relay account. This may involve checking your transaction history or receiving notifications about the transfer's progress. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize security when transferring money online. Ensure you're using a secure internet connection and avoid sharing sensitive information with unauthorized parties. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with transferring money to your Relay deposit account. Some platforms may charge transaction fees or currency conversion fees. Processing time. The processing time for transfers can vary depending on the method used and the specific policies of Relay. Be patient and allow sufficient time for the funds to reach your account. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions during the transfer process, don't hesitate to contact Relay's customer support. They can assist you in resolving problems and provide guidance. Conclusion. Transferring money to your Relay deposit account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you'll be able to efficiently and securely move funds to your account. Whether you're saving for a future purchase, receiving payments, or simply managing your finances, understanding how to transfer money to your Relay deposit account is a valuable skill. Call to action. Have you successfully transferred money to your Relay deposit account? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment or contact Relay's customer support. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.